Hi viewers, welcome to Accounting Pro. My name is Irfan Yusuf. In this video, we are going to activate QuickBooks Online's 30 days free trial. Let's start the lesson. First of all, we will open quickbooks.intuit.com. This is a main QuickBooks website. Once we will open website quickbooks.intuit.com and press enter. On screen, you will see two different messages. One is go to global and one is for visit the US site. If you are in the US, you will go to the US site, and if you are outside the US, then you will go to the global website. First of all, let's check the global version of QuickBooks Online, and then later we will also check the US version as well and check the difference between the two versions, US and the global one. Let's check the global version and click on go to the global website. Once we will click on the global version of the QuickBooks website, you can see that the web address is changed from quickbooks.intuit.com to quickbooks.intuit.com/global. In the global website, we can see free 30-day trial of QuickBooks Online, and if we scroll down to the bottom, we can see that there are three different variants of QuickBooks Online: QuickBooks Simple Start, Essentials, and QuickBooks Online Plus. What are the difference between three variants, Simple Start, Essentials, and Plus? I have already described in detail about all of these features in my previous video, which was the introduction to QuickBooks Online. So we can see that there are three versions: Simple Start, Essentials, and Plus, and we can activate free 30-day trial of any of the product which is being appeared on QuickBooks website. So let's try the US website. Go to quickbooks.intuit.com again, and we will see the message visit the US site or go to the global site. So previously we went to the global site, now we will go to the visit the US website. Once we will click on the US website, it will take us to the local US website. So scroll down to the products, and we can see that these products and pricing are little different from the global version. Simple Start, Essentials, and Plus are the same, but here we can also see QuickBooks Advanced version. QuickBooks Advanced version is not available globally, but only available for the users which are within the US, and you can also see the payroll option in the US variants, but with the global version cannot activate the payroll options. So with QuickBooks Simple Start, Essentials, and QuickBooks Plus, we also have QuickBooks Online Advanced. So if we see that if there is any option of activating free 30-day trial, but there is no 30-day trial, but only the option choose plan, which means that we cannot activate 30-day trial in US variants, but we have to purchase directly any plan for our company to use QuickBooks Online subscription. So we cannot activate 30-day trial in the US variant, so we have to go back to the global variant of QuickBooks Online to activate QuickBooks 30 days free trial. So let's go back to the global version and reopen quickbooks.intuit.com and refresh the page. So here is the pop-up again. Go to the global website again, and we will jump into the global version. So here you can see the free 30-day trial button. Click on free 30-day trial, and it will take you to the direct option of activating 30-day trial, which is Simple Start, Essentials, and Online Plus. You can activate any of the products available for 30 days trial. Let's activate 30-day trial of QuickBooks Online Plus. When you will click on 30 days trial of QuickBooks Online Plus, it will take you towards the 30 days trial activation form. Fill out the form and provide the necessary information like your email address, your first name, your last name, your country code, and your mobile number, and also your password, which is alphanumeric and with a special character password. You can see that there are guidelines that you can write the password with the provided guidelines. Once all the required fields are okay, you will see the green tick on every field, which means that all informations are okay and you are good to go. Click on the one more step, and it will take you to the next level, and in the next level you will provide your business information like your legal business name, your industry that which will suit you. That in my case, I am a professional service provider and I am an accounting service provider. So in my case, professional service is accounting and bookkeeping. And the business type, which is the registration status, if I am sole trader, partnership, private limited company, charity organization, company or something else. Here I'm selecting the sole trader, and then the experience. Click next, and once you will click next, it will ask you that your status in the company, if you are the owner, you are a bookkeeper, you are accountant, or you are employee. In my case, I'm the owner of the business, so I will click on owner. And next, do you have an accountant or bookkeeper? If you want to add your bookkeeper, if not, then you can click on no, I will do it myself, and click next. Once you will click on next, it will ask you that which features are required in Online Plus. Yes, I will use invoices, I will use expenses, I will use track sales tax, I will use retail sales, I will also pay my employees, I will also manage inventory, and I will also track my bills. Click done, and let's see the magic. Once you will click on the done, it will directly land in QuickBooks Online software. QuickBooks Online portal is here, and you can see your company's name at top left of the software. In my case, it is AccountingPro, and left side you can see the menu, and you can see all other features, like you can see how to post the transactions, and you can see the settings menu, like all this. So we will discuss all these features, which are the left side menu, top menus, activities, company setup, how to create chart of accounts, customers, vendors. So all these features I will discuss in my upcoming video. Please subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, and don't forget to click bell icon. If I will upload new videos, you will get the notification of new videos automatically in your mobile device or in your email box. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If there is any comment or suggestion, please write it in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned for my next video. Take care. Bye bye.